Tesla Colt here, and I want to discuss wireless power transmission. And I've got a setup here with a Tesla coil and whatnot. But first I'm going to cover this schematic. And this is our current electrical grid right here. And what we've got, this is our power station. We've got the induction of the transmission lines, and then the capacitance that exists between the transmission lines and the earth, and of course this is the load right here. And now here I have the wireless transmission system, which is a direct inversion of our current transmission system. We got the power station. Here we have a transmission coil, and we have the capacitance which exists between the two coils, and then another receiving coil, receiver transmission, part of the network, more capacitance, and then of course the receiver with the load on it. Now let me show you what I have here. This is my transmission coil. This is the oscillator driving it, and here is my power consumption. 10 volts, 150 milliamps. So I'm currently transmitting at 1.5 watts. Extremely low amount of power. Now if we look over here, we can see one of the other coil in the transmission network, and it's currently got an LED lit. Now this would be, say, the coil at the house, or it is providing power to a fixed load, like say for example a house, because this coil's grounded, and so is this coil. Now I'm going to go a step further, and I'm going to take this, and this is going to represent an automobile because it's ungrounded. I'm going to bring it into tune with my thumb because it needs some capacity in order to bring it to tune, but this is completely ungrounded. And as you can see here, as it's next to the power station, it receives power, but as I travel away from the station, the power goes away. But as I get to the second coil, it comes back. So as long as there's a network nearby, let's say this automobile, or what I'm using to represent an automobile, has power. And so essentially, if we use a network like this for our power transmission system, we could be running electric vehicles directly off the power grid. And so I think it's interesting. I'll try to do some more work on this, maybe build a bigger network, give other demonstrations. But anyhow, Tesla Colt signing out.